batho ba bangwe ba rona ba na le gore ba tsena mo maemong a rileng awarded afternoon radio DJ like not once not twice you know they become somehow ba tshimolla ba feel gore ba bigger than others, you know, stuff like that. But with you making a reference to this interview,
sure,
you remain very calm and remain to our level. Those who are not there with you, you remain to our level. We you didn't you know ask us to write an email and you know talk to this one and I'll check the schedule. You just said no, guys, I'm ready when you are.
Sure.
So I want to check on that part. How do you do it? How do you remain so calm? You know, having so much and you still manage to remain so calm and be on everyone else's level.
I think ke go sa itebale mo botshelong ga ba tshwana go itebala go sa kgathalse gore mang o ba tshwana go itebala a o le motho o tshela le batho o tshwantse o itse gore go botho bo leng teng nna ga ke ko mang ka leng ke tshela le batho ke ne ke ra mongwe ke mora ke shopa ha toropong ya Mahike ke pega bicycle ya me go godimo ga mall wa Northwest ke be ke tsamaya ka dinao ke tsena ha marekelong